Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide birth date on Facebook. Now on your device, launch Facebook app and then make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, from the top of your screen, you will see your profile just near your notification icon. Tap on your profile. Once you're loaded to your profile page, now again tap on edit profile that you will see near add to story option. Tap on there. That will lead you to this page where you will be able to edit your profile. And now again scroll down. At the very bottom of your screen, tap on edit your about info. Now again scroll down. In basic info section, you will see your birthday. Tap on edit, and in here at very first you will see your birthday. Below that it says audience is friends of friends. So you want to change that to only me. Tap on friends of friends and then change to only me. And again go to birth year. Again do the same. Tap on audience is friends of friends. Again switch that to only me. But before our final step, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now let's get into the video. After you are done changing from friends of friends to only me, the last step that you have to do is tap on save from the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on save, your settings will be saved and no one will be able to see your birthday. So this is how you can simply hide birth date on Facebook. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.